this assessment asks us which acid-base definition is illustrated by this equation using sodium amide. What you will notice is that NH2- is here, and that NH2- becomes NH3 on the product side. It's gaining a proton. Alternatively, this OH, this oxygen here, has a hydrogen and an ethyl group attached, and on the product side, it has lost a proton. It has lost H+. When we consider that NH2- loses a proton or gains a proton, and OH loses a proton, it becomes clear that what's illustrated here is the Bronsted-Lowry acid-base definition. The Bronsted-Lowry definition, where an acid is a proton donor and a base is a proton acceptor. NH2- is our base, it accepts the proton. Ethanol is our acid, it donates the proton.